Hello guys, this is Gilmar Smith and today we're gonna go beyond the headshots. I'm gonna be teaching you everything that you need to know about personal branding photography and how you can incorporate them into your photography business. I'm gonna be showing you how you can brainstorm with your clients and how you're gonna make your brand and their brand go together. How you can work with people that are not models and how you can create amazing pictures without having to spend so much money and creating just with whatever you have. How you can help your clients incorporate their personality into their brand and how you can create images that they're gonna blow their audience mind. The anatomy of the whole photo shoot, different ways that you can help your clients make their brand stand out by using color, by using props, by using personality and their hobbies and everything that is around them that can make them different from their competition. So stick with me as I'm gonna show you every single step in my latest class at KelbyOne.com.